G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're unboxing the iPhone XS. We call it the XS. I call it the XS. XS. You call it the XS. I don't really care. We're unboxing the iPhone XS XS. Let's get into it. Alright everyone, here we go, the iPhone XS. Here's some stats on the back. You got 64 gigs of storage. This is the base model, which in Australia costs you $1,600 minimum. Overseas it's less, but you know, everyone just keeps screwing the Aussies. Anyway, iPhone XS. First thing you do, out of the box, you get some paperwork. Designed by Apple in California, and in there you do get some stickers, a quick start guide, USB ejection tool, and some fanboy stickers, and that's pretty much it. In the box, we'll just set the phone aside for now. In the box you do get some headphones with a lightning adapter, so no headphone jack, which is upsetting. You get a charging brick, which is not fast charging, though the phone is capable of it, but Apple wants $90 for that to happen for you. And there is your charging cable as well. Moving on to the device. It does look really nice. I'm really impressed with that build. You got glass front and back. And look, that's the gold color. They also have slate gray and silver. Now we are running 458 ppi with this device, and we're looking at about 70 millimeters wide, 143 millimeters tall. On the left hand side you have your volume up and down rockers as well as your alert slider. On the bottom you've got your speakers, and on the right hand side you have your SIM slot and your power button. Now that is a dual megapixel rear camera. It has a wide angle and a telephoto camera, one at f1.8 and the other one at f2.4. And on the front there you have your microphone, your speaker, your camera, and a whole bunch of sensors to enable that face recognition or whatever it is that Apple calls it. So a really nice looking display, a really nice looking design. However, if you have the iPhone X from last year, you're not going to notice any real differences except maybe a slight color difference. Some of the more important changes are actually under the hood, and when I say that I mean you have the A12 Bionic chip, 4 gigabytes of RAM, IP68 water and dust resistance instead of IP67, which is what we had last year, and the new software is iOS 12. So lots of little increases to make the device a little bit better. You do have your antenna bands on the corners there. There is an antenna band on the bottom there, which does cut the left-hand speaker grill in half almost, but that's what it is. It's asymmetrical, I guess, so that's just how it goes. What do you think about the iPhone XS? Here's a little bit of a size comparison. You've got the Nokia 7 Plus against the iPhone XS. Look, it's definitely a small device, but it does really fit nice and comfortably in my hand. I do like the bigger displays, but this phone feels good, feels premium, and looks good. It's not sharp, it's not rigid, it's really comfortable to hold. I don't stretch my hand when I'm using it. It is really easy to use. These buttons on the sides are really well built and tactile. I don't see there being any problems with those buttons or the placement of them. It's your typical Apple placement. So all in all, that's what you get in the box. I hope you appreciate this video. Make sure you do hit that like button and the subscribe button. I will be doing a heap more videos on the iPhone XS or XS, whatever it is we call it. Anyway, I appreciate your time. As I said, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.